Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell you about Microsoft Office Visio and what you can do with this application as well. So please subscribe my channel so that you can view all the latest videos related to this. So let's get started. So this is Microsoft Visio. What you can do is, if you want to download it, you can just go to Google and write download Microsoft Visio. And from the first website you can just download it. Yeah, so as you can see, you can just download it from here. It's very easy. So let me tell you for what you can use this Microsoft Office Visio. Basically this application is used for making professional diagrams. You can make, like if you're studying in university or somewhere else and you need some diagrams, like many students in software engineering study those diagrams, like class diagram, then many more diagrams. So data flow diagram, architecture, many diagrams, professional diagrams you can just draw with this application. This application is very useful for you. As you can see, it gives you many options. When you just open this application, it will give you just diagrams that you can see. The first one is database model diagram. Let me open it and show you. It will open a new window for you, and here you can make a database model, and whatever entities, whatever things are required for drawing a database model, they will just give you that, and you can just easily drag and drop and just make your whatever you can diagram. Suppose you want this in landscape, and you can just go to file and do it. But here I'm just giving you the introduction, so I'm not going to go into the detail. So let me take you back and go to new, getting started, and you can see data flow model diagram. If you are a software engineer or student, then you will definitely study this data flow model diagram, and it's very useful for you. UML model diagram, it is basically class diagram. You can see class diagram is also very important, and it is used in many projects as well. If you're making your final year project in your university, your final year project, then UML diagram, data flow diagram, and these all diagrams are very important, like activity diagram and many more diagrams as well. Let me show you my one diagram that I have drawn from here, like this one. This is my let me open this one. So basically this is my data flow diagram that I have just used it for my project, one project that I was doing, but I don't know why it's not being opened. Yeah, so it is opened right here. It will take some time. Yeah, so this is my diagram. Let me just zoom out so I can show you. So this is my diagram, you can see here, and if I just zoom it to show you what I have done here, it's not done. So you can see this is my data flow diagram. So I have done in made it for my some project I had needed it. So here I've used this all entities, as you can see right here, like, and I will tell you in the next lecture, I will explain you in detail what you called this all entities as well. So it's very easy. You can just draw different diagrams you want for your projects. It's very useful. So let me show you one more thing. If you go to files, you're gonna see so many options, like business. If you are going to draw diagrams related to your business, then you can just go to this option. And if you're drawing your diagrams related to engineering, then you can go, like electrical diagrams you have to draw, then you can just use this, or flow charts and general. Then maps and floor plans, like you want to draw some maps or site plan, this is also very useful. That's why I'm saying, or a home plan, as you can see, it's from here you can draw professional diagrams, network and schedule, And the last is software and database. Database is related basically to a software engineers. So as you can see, data flow model diagram, database model diagram, UML, ORM, and these all are related to software engineering. So it's very useful for you, and you can just make professional diagrams from here. So please subscribe my channel so that you can see my next lecture related to this in detail. So thank you.